Number 3,
Okwesithathu,
manufacturing ministers.
kwakhiwa ke kwabe
Abafundisi esizenzele bona.
fundisi senzele bona
Abafundisi esizakhele bona.
zakhele thina
Abafundisi esizenzele bona.
pastors we have manufactured ourselves.
Abafundisi
Pastors
esizakhele
we
bona.
have made ourselves
Ngoba bakhuthele.
because they are active.
Sathi abaphumela inkosi ngoba
And you
bakhuthele.
said they must go into the field because they are active.
Awuphumela inkosi ngoba ukhuthele.
You do not go out to serve the Lord because you are active.
Uyabizwa.
You are called.
Khona ukukhuthala.
It's not activity. Being active.
Ngoba noma ucheck ujobe ukhuthele ngani? Njobe ukhuthele nje ukhuthele ngani?
Why is he so active?
Ukhuthele ngeinto zesonto.
He's active because of church things,
Hayi kaNkuluNkulu.
not because of God things.
Zesonto.
It's the church things.
Ngoba ibandla lami lifuna abantu abakhuthele ngeinto zalo.
My church is looking for people who are active in their own things.
Hayi uma ukhuthele ngeke kaNkuluNkulu awusafithi la.
If you are busy with God things, I'll say no, no. La.
Fanele ukhuthale ngezesonto.
You have to be busy with things of the church,
Hayi kaThina.
not of God.
This church
Leli bandla
is failing
liyahluleka
to accept
ukwamukela
abantu
people
abasuswa
who
uThixo.
are troubled by God. Hallelujah.
Ukuze ube ngumfundisi oright la.
So that you can be a good pastor here.
Khuthala ngeinto zabo.
Be busy with their things.
Khuthala ngeinto zabo.
Be busy with their things.
Hayi kaThixo.
Not of God.
Rabo shata labaya.
All right.
As a result,
Umphumela lokho. Umphumela lokho.
baningi abafundisi abakhiwe isonto kunababiziwe.
There are many pastors who are manufactured by the church than those who are called.
Enye yezinto edala istagnation.
It's one of the things eyenza ukuba sime endaweni eyodwa.
Umsebenzi usetshenzwa ngama-maintainers,
The work is done ngababheki,
managers.
ababhekelele.
Laba bantu,
These people,
I'm sorry to say,
yes,
but I must say,
Zosho.
laba bantu
Laba bantu people
abakhishwe yithi
who are sent by us,
bagude ukusigcina sila,
bahle ukusigcina to keep us here.
not to move.
Singaqhubeki.
That is why our local assemblies
Ingakho amabandla ethu asekhaya,
awamfuni umfundisi
they don't want a pastor
othi akiwe laphaya.
who says we must go there.
Afuna umfundisi othi is right la.
They want the pastor who says no, it's good here.
Umfundisi othi let us cross over, let us go,
The
let us.
pastor who says asiya ngaphesheya asambe.
Awufuneki.
It is not liked.
Fanele ube ngumfundisi oright oyiphethe kahle.
You have to be a good pastor,
Uyiphathe kahle.
well behaved pastor.
Hlala emission.
Stay in the mission.
Uphume uthathe iBhayibheli uye enkonzweni.
Take your Bible and go to the church.
Ume pulpit ushumayele.
Stand at the pulpit and preach.
Ubeke nje ama-facts.
Just state a few and say, hey, balulekile,
Bese ubuyele emission.
and go back to the mission.
Musukubala ukukhuluma ezinye izinto.
Don't say a lot of things.
Musukhuluma enye into.
Don't say a lot of things.
Factualize nje la.
Khuluma nje ngale zinto.
Ubeke usidedele siye emakhaya.
Say, let us go home
Uhambe emission.
and go to the mission.
Sokubona kusasa.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Phinde ubekabeke futhi.
And then say a few things.
Ugudike.
Umuhleke.
These pastors, manufacturing ministers,
Laba fundisi ke abakhiwe thina
abakwazi ukuba basenze sithi move.
They can't make us move.
basigcina sinje.
They keep us like this.
Afuneka umuntu ozolokho enyakazisa.
A person who's shaking is not liked.
Alright, sakhuluma ngelanga labafundisi ukuthi bathatha abafundisi abala endlini.
We once spoke to the pastors. There are 3 types of pastors.
Khona bayibizile
Some who have called themselves
for their personal agenda.
ngenhloso zabo, injongo zabo.
Awuphumeli inkosi ngoba ungawutholi umsebenzi.
You are not going out to serve the Lord because you don't get a job.
Bese ucabanga ukuthi leyo nto determine ubizo.
And you think that is yona lento ekwenza ukuthi ubone
Bese
ukuthi
bakhona ababizwe abanye abantu.
those who are called by other people,
Bathi phuma uyavutha.
they say go out because you are burning.
Bese bakhona ababizwe uNkulunkulu.
And then there are those who are called by God.
Now laba ababizwe uNkulunkulu
Those who are called by God,
basebenza
they
kanzima.
work hard.
Lento yokuthi abantu who are supposed to lead the church in 5-foot ministry kule dimension.
This thing of people ofanele bahole ibandla kulezi inhlaka enhlanu zokukhonza kokamoya.
Bangasherishi same feeling.
Bangahlelani imizwa efanayo.
Kwenza singayindawo.
It makes us go nowhere.
We must share the same feeling.
Kufanele sihlelane imizwa.
Izolunga ke lento.
Then things will go right.
Ngoba sothi masikhomba khombeke.
When we point, it will be pointable.
Na akwazi ukuba ngumfundisi futhi ozelwe eBible school.
You cannot be a pastor who's born through the Bible school.
Amen.
Amen.
Bible school can only help you
iBhayibheli lingakusiza
ukucapacitate.
ukukunikeza nje ixhobo.
Kodwa awukwazi ukuthi ubiziwe ngoba une theology yase Bible school.
You cannot say you are called because you have theological qualification from Bible school.
Ngoba uzosinforma angeke usitransforme.
Ngoba uzosinika nje ulwazana kodwa ngeke usiguqule.
The house of God is a house of transformation.
Indlu kaNkulunkulu indlu yenguquko.